love this guy. We have a big king on the other end of the line. It's been there for 15 minutes. We got ashore. We were in this boat, and he's not ready to. We'll probably jump in the boat in there in a minute because it's going the wrong direction, that fish. You want me to get you in the boat?
You can probably wait out quite a ways out. Oh yeah. Want me to tail him?
That's Al and his pal Larry. And I'm the super guide. Now moving.
Maybe get back to the boat, roll back over. You give them an inch, they'll take a mile, Alex.
All in a Stucker 8-weight rod. We're chasing this fish down. The rod is bended. This is by far the strongest we've had.
Oh, you snagged him?
Oh, maybe it's hooked on the side or something.
You might have snagged him in the ass.
Huh?
You might have snagged him in the ass.
Watch your language, we are on video. It's coming. Oh man, it's a big one. Looks pretty silver too.
Look at the head on him. He's still another 25 feet away where you don't have enough room.
Yeah, really bring it. There's Larry trying to tail this fish. That's the only way to ensure the fighting time. And there he comes. I'll probably have to tell it myself. Can you grab me the camera? It's coming.
Look at the side of his tail. No wonder he's putting up a fight.
Can you reel in? Oh, we lost it.